Have you ever watched a huge excavator lift tons of soil with just one arm and wondered, how does that even work? Or press the brake pedal of your car, and in milliseconds, your 1,500-kilogram machine stops? Or seen a hydraulic press crush metal like it is nothing? The answer to all of these questions is one word: hydraulics. Hydraulics is the science of using pressurized liquid, usually oil, to generate, control, and transmit power. A pump pushes oil through a pipe. Pressure travels to a cylinder. The cylinder moves something heavy. That is hydraulics. Welcome to this channel. I am Jay, and in this video, we answer, what is hydraulics? Where did it come from? And why should you care? Hydraulics comes from Greek. Hydro means water. Aulos means pipe. So literally, hydraulics means liquid flowing through pipes to do work. Blaise Pascal, French scientist 1647, discovered that pressure applied to a confined liquid is transmitted equally in all directions. Small piston pushes 10 newtons, large piston, 100x bigger area, outputs 1,000 newtons. That is 100 times force multiplication. Humans have used liquid power for 4,000 years. Ancient Egyptians, irrigation canals. Romans, 90-kilometer-long aqueducts. Pascal, the law of pressure. Brahma, first hydraulic press in 1795. Industrial Revolution, hydraulic cranes and lifts. Today, aircraft, cars, and space technology. Hydraulics is used everywhere. Construction machines, excavators, and cranes. Your car brakes, hydraulics. Aircraft landing gear, hydraulics. Factory presses, hydraulics. Farm tractors, hydraulics. Ship steering, hydraulics. Even your dentist chair, it is everywhere. A basic hydraulic system has 6 parts. Reservoir stores the oil. Pump pressurizes it. Relief valve keeps it safe. Control valve directs the flow. Actuator, cylinder or motor, does the work. Filter keeps oil clean. These form a complete circuit. So, today, we learned. Hydraulics uses pressurized liquid. Pascal's law multiplies force. It powers construction, automotive, aviation, agriculture, and more. 6 components form the system. And next video, we go deep into Pascal's law with real calculations. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for a new video every week, and drop a comment below. Which hydraulic machine do you see most in your daily life? I will see you in the next one.